Hi guys, welcome back with another new video. In this video, we see the top best SEO companies and services. So here we are on the website of best authentic website where we can get proper information about top SEO companies here. The number one is WebFX. I am personally use this website. It's not too much expensive if you know properly work about SEO. So you can use for blogger as website SEO, you even YouTube SEO and other tools like for ranking your videos on Instagram and multiple platforms, social media platforms. You can use this website or this digital marketing that drives revenue me this is a best website search engine optimization that you can easily use and rank your websites, rank your articles and your blog or WordPress websites and everything. I am personally use this website, and the second one is Titan Growth. Oh, that's nice because 325 reviews and 4.9 rating. That's awesome. And this all websites are verified. There is a review just 34 but got 5 point stars. And you can monthly earn $1,000 plus and 1,100 to $149 per hour if you know proper work. I have not used this website honestly, but listen from my friends and other team members. This is a awesome website. And the third one is has Menta. This website is 60 reviews and 4.6. Here you can also earn 1,000 plus dollars and 50 to $99 per hour. As a review, I am satisfied with the project. Sorry, with the project management, everything tools placed based on the schedule we created before. And the fourth one is Straight North. 123 reviews and 4.7 star. Here also you can earn 1,000 plus dollars and 100 to $149 per hour. This is a best or one of the best website you can use. And at the end the video I will tell you which websites are you can my experience is best on which websites. And here Victorious, 89 reviews and 4.9. I have no idea why this website is not number 5. This is the one of the best website. Is maybe on number 3 or number 4, 2, but here they vote it in number 5. I have no idea why, but they're the most impressed with their incredible customers services and handle one account management. This website on this website every almost every 90% customers satisfied with their services. You can use it and same earning like others. Enjoyed visibility at the top. Number 7, 118 reviews and 4.9 stars. This is also verified. I can tell they have our best internet ad heard because they also go to extra mile for us. Digital media manager. This is also one of the best website. You can use it for your SEO. Hi there. Higher visibility. This is one of the top companies who create these websites. 4-time SEO agency of the 4 year. Free strategies. And here you can earn same dollars like others. They did a great job overall with quality of work. Former director of marketing, franchise marketing companies, online marketing gurus. This is, I think, so Indian website, and 53 reviews and 4.8 stars. That's awesome, but just 35% search engine optimization services, which was amazing as they took the time to understand our business and gave our confidence that they could deliver. You can got good experience from this website. And here is a big leap, a digital marketing and SEO agency you can trust. 75 reviews, 4.8. And I tell you about this is highlighted. You can see this website is also awesome. WebFX, I recommended you this website, and this is also a nice website. But these websites, on according to my experience, is top number second, number two. I put it on number two, and number three of this website, and number four this one, and number five this one. So there is some top five websites companies which can you use to promote your businesses, videos, and articles, websites, and much more. If you want to visit any websites, click on visit website in this red button, and you can take their services. And on this website there is a lot of, hey, 100% search engine optimization, 5 stars, but just 12 reviews yet. Also awesome, man. You can use these websites for ranking your websites and other. These websites have not yet proper traffic, but they're also doing a great job. Like this, 25 reviews and 5 stars, but 10% just optimize search optimization engine. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.